Have you ever sat through a financial video and felt like you needed a PhD in economics just to understand a single sentence? I know exactly how that feels. Because most of the money advice you find online is either filled with confusing jargon that sounds like it was written by robots, or it's some dangerous get rich quick scheme designed to separate you from your hard earned cash. My name is Nargis, and I've spent over 17 years working deep inside the high stakes world of investment banking as an accountant, where I saw exactly how the wealthiest people on the planet manage their capital to stay ahead of the system. I follow a lot of finance channels, and I started noticing these cool, character driven videos randomly showing up in my feed all the time. But the first thing that really hit me, and honestly, it made me a little upset, was that every single voice in this format was a male figure. I mean, is it just me, or does it feel like the algorithm thinks only guys want to talk about compound interest and asset allocation? I felt like I needed to bring my voice into this space for an audience that might be looking for a female perspective for once, because we deserve a seat at the table too. Now, I want to be completely honest with you. I'm using this AI format because I don't yet have the courage to speak in front of the camera. It's kind of ironic, right? 17 years in boardrooms, and I'm still a bit camera shy. But even if I'm not ready to show my face, I absolutely have the knowledge and enthusiasm to share what I've learned over nearly 2 decades. And yes, being an accountant for 17 years is quite far from the cutting-edge AI world, so I'm not going to promise Hollywood-level production quality right away. This AI journey is hard, but I'm learning, I'm experimenting, and I'm genuinely excited. My goal is simple: to connect with you in a friendly, easy-to-understand way and teach you what actually works in real life. Because when I look back at my time in banking, I realize something important. There is a massive education gap, and it's costing families hundreds of thousands of dollars. In school, we learned that mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, or about the War of 1812, but no one taught us why our credit score drops after paying off a loan. We graduated academically prepared, but financially clueless. We allow 18-year-olds to sign student loans worth more than a car without teaching them interest rates or what happens when they default. That's like handing someone the keys to a Formula One car when they've only ever ridden a bicycle. I created this channel because I believe financial literacy should not be a privilege reserved for the elite. It should be as basic and accessible as learning how to read. There are countless finance channels out there, but most either focus on tiny optimizations like skipping your $4 coffee, or they push the latest trend that will probably crash tomorrow. Saving $4 a day is fine, but it misses the real problem. The real problem is this: you've been programmed to believe that buying things equals progress and that convenience equals success. On this channel, we're going to do things differently. I'm going to take the high-level strategies I learned in banking and break them down into simple, actionable systems. We'll focus on fundamentals that actually move the needle, like optimizing housing costs and building an automatic wealth engine that grows while you sleep. Because you deserve a financial foundation that gives you freedom. The freedom to make choices based on what you want, not what you can afford. I've seen people earning $200,000 who are completely broke, and others making $40,000 quietly build serious wealth. Because it's not about how much money you make, it's about what happens to that money after it hits your account. Wealth is a consistency game. It's about doing the boring things again and again, while everyone else is chasing shortcuts. This channel will also talk about the quietly broke phenomenon, why looking rich is replacing being rich, the safety trap of keeping all your cash in the bank, and why driving a simple car might be one of the smartest financial decisions you ever make. Because status doesn't pay your bills. This AI journey for me feels a lot like building a portfolio. Slow at first, mistakes along the way, but growth every single day. I'm just a human being with 17 years of real experience and a strong desire to help you stop playing financial defense and start playing offense. Your future self is counting on the decisions you make today, and I want to help you build a roadmap that actually leads somewhere. So yes, this is just the beginning, but I'm truly excited to build this journey with you. If you're ready to stop letting the system keep you broke and start building the wealth you actually deserve, welcome to the channel. I'll see you in the first real video very soon. Nargis.